Hello there guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be, I thought I'll change it up a little bit. We will do a bit of a tutorial. This is hopefully going to be the first of many and I really do hope that you enjoy it. Today is going to be a very simple video on how to make an intro animation or intro to your intro videos for your affiliate products. Now this, making these are cosmetic, okay? You don't need to do them for your videos. If you've got a little bit of time spare, then by all means, jump in and give it a go. But once again, this is not something that has to be done, okay? If you've got a bit of time, then of course put them together. I like making these because they're eye-catching, you know, they grab your guest's attention, or the current or possible client's attention to your link. They show up ever so briefly when you hover your mouse button over your thumbnails on YouTube, and it briefly shows them. So as long as they are, once again, nice and brief and clean and well put together, you could be actually on to a winner when it comes to putting these together. So let's dive right in, share my page with you, and then we're going to go, of course, straight to Google. Now I use for this video anyway, I use two different pieces of software, but for the time being, let's talk Canva. Now Canva is one of those things that I myself use a lot. Okay, and I know that quite a few other affiliate marketers use it as well, purely because of convenience. It's so easy to use. There's so many options on there. I use it for my thumbnail, to my intro videos, to my titling, all of that kind of stuff. It's really easy. Now you can go the paid way, or you can just keep with the free version. To be honest, just keep the free version. Like, you don't need to upgrade. It does open up a lot more options for you, but frankly, what we're doing right now, the intro kind of introductory to the intro animations, all you need is the free version, okay? So don't need to overdo it. So let's dive right in. Type in intro, and then down there we're going to scroll to YouTube intro, because that's what we're doing. We're doing intro for our YouTube channels. Click. Now some of these here have already got backing tracks attached to them, which is awesome. You know, that's one thing you don't need to think about. So I think it's this one here. We'll just click on that one there. Okay, so all the animations here, you can change and adjust however you want. And of course into here as well. Anything that square shows up, that titling box there, you can manipulate, you can change that however you want. I'm just going to write, for the sake of this, I'm just going to write hello. Awesome. And then let's play it with that backing track. So as you can see, these here are so easy to use, and there are so many ways that you can change this and adjust this to fit whatever you're trying to do. Once again, these are completely cosmetic, so you know you're not making a music video, okay? So make it simple, make it clean, and make those colors pop, okay? Change the background, change whatever. You can adjust these however you want. Making sure, of course, my friends, that you do save it up here in the box here. Make sure you save your work as you go. And then when you're ready to download, top right-hand corner here where share is, download. And then, of course, to download just here. Now, it does show suggested as an MP4 file, which is great. You only want to download an MP4 because once you get to putting this on YouTube, it comes out a lot cleaner if it's in MP4. I've seen some MKV files come out really well, but because it's such a high quality video, sometimes the audio comes out a little scrappy. So to avoid that, just keep everything MP4. Now, as you're browsing through this though, you will every now and again come across videos that you really like, or introductories that you really like, but they don't have a backing track. So one I really liked was actually this one here. Now the thing with this one though is that of course it didn't have a backing track. Okay, so just to show you, once it's finished loading, I'll hit play. So as you can see, it's just a really nice clean animation with some wording some wording on the front there. It's very, very simple and I think very effective. You've only got a few seconds to keep people's attention. Okay, so you would have seen the intro for Buzz84 at the start of this tutorial. So that's eye-popping and all that kind of stuff. But, you know, once again, you can add and adjust these however you want. For this one in particular, though, just to show you how the process works. So I'm just going to click on there and I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing. And then I'll change this text as well. So I'll just say, let's say, welcome to my channel. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to save, make sure we save. So Control All. So just, and I'll just say sample 1. Let's just say sample 1. Enter, and that will save it. And then we're going to go to share, and then we're going to down. Oh no, we're not. Actually, no, we're not. I've jumped ahead. So that's what you do anyway if you wanted to download it, guys. But what we're wanting to do is that, of course, we need to add a backing track. Now, the website that I use, is called freesound.org. Okay, enter. Now, just like Canva, this website is 100% free. All you need to do is sign up and you just be part of the newsletter. Okay, but in doing that, you get access to hundreds of thousands of different backing tracks, anything from 3 seconds to 3 minutes. You know, there's some really, really good stuff here. These are the backing tracks you're going to use to attach to your sample videos. Okay, so go through, browse through. Once again, you're not making a music, you're not making music videos, so don't make it too big, too loud. And of course, this isn't the main set for Metallica either. So don't make it too rock out either. As you're browsing through, you've got your search engine there. You can search your types. You can go top and pop, rock, jazz, dub, chill, whatever. Once you've gone through and you've browsed through, or to be honest, guys, just take some time, just browse through this website. It is so cool. Once you've done that, just a point of saving time. Then you can, so I pick trance, and then it will just come up with some options. But along with that, gives you some amazing tags here. Okay, so you can actually search out other types of music, and of course maybe find, you know, something completely different that you didn't know that you wanted, but you ended up grabbing. So I found this cool little track called Cold. It's only 6 seconds long, which is brilliant. It's well within our little 5 to 13 seconds long there. So I'm just going to play a little bit of it. Easy, simple, clean, effective. It's not in your face. It's really still quite lively, quite bubbly. So we click on our file. Excuse me. Now, as you can see here, our track is 6 seconds long. So what we need to do is we need to make this 6 seconds long. So we come up to here, until the arrow comes up, like that one, like it shows just there. And we need to expand this to 6 seconds. So right at the top there, you'll see the seconds go up. So we've gone from 4 seconds to 6 seconds, right, by simply manipulating this. Easy as. Once we've got that, so that's 6 seconds long. This here is 6 seconds long. Download our music track. So now that's starting to download. Perfect. Come up to here, and then we want to download him as well. Once McCarthy's finished. Come to here, go to download. Okay, we want to keep it as an MP4 file. Go to download again. All right, so now he's downloading as well. So he's just showing the samples moving. Brilliant. And what we're going to do is that if you're part of the MOF family, you already have this piece of software. If not, I'm going to leave links to all of the stuff, Canva, Freesound, and OpenShot in the description below. Okay, so even if you're not part of the MOF family, all of the stuff is going to be there for you to use. Easy, simple, jump in, make it yours. Make it yours. Alrighty, so we are nearly done here. Brilliant. Downloading, and then he'll just need a few seconds to scan that, which is great. So I'm just going to minimize that one. Now, open shots right here in the top right, kind of the top right hand corner here. So we double click into that one, and it brings us to open shot. Alrighty, so now we need to put our files in here. So go to download there, go to the bottom there, go to downloads. Hopefully everything is put in there. Perfect. So we put our music track, pull that across, our sample track, pull that across. Don't need that anymore, so we can close that. Now, I don't know why it does it, but every now and again, if you put the music into the track before the video, it makes the video stutter sometimes. I don't know why. It just does. So what you want to do, make sure you move the video file down first before your backing track. And then we select our backing track. Awesome. Excuse me. And let's have a look. Awesome. And it's really that simple, guys. So now that we've combined those, we need to save it. So we go to record. Just for the sake of this video, I'll call this sample one, and I will put him on my desktop. But of course, you can save it to whatever file you want. Select folder, export video, and it's just going to take me a second to put together. Come on, buddy. All right, that is that. Close all of those. Here's our sample here on the left-hand side. Double click on there. Done. Easy. And it really is as simple as that, guys. So now you've taken, you've gone two ways. You've jumped onto Canva and you've found something you really like as far as an intro goes. You've changed it and adapted it to how you wanted to market yourself. Or option number two, you've taken a video of something, the animation itself with the text, you've changed and adjusted that, and then you've gone to another website to find the tracks you wanted, and then you've molded it together using OpenShot. I hope you're still there. Anyway, guys, that's how you make a intro animation. I hope you really enjoyed this little video of mine, this little walkthrough, whatever. And I'll definitely be making a few more as we go along. Well, my friends, thank you very much for joining me today. And as always, keep on buzzing.